Welcome back. It's April 2026, and the smart home market has shifted dramatically since the start of the year. Today, we are looking at the top 10 products that have actually survived my real-world testing over the past month. First, let's talk about the Aqara U400 Smart Lock. After 30 days, the UWB intent-based unlocking is still the most reliable tech I've ever used. No more fumbling with keys when my hands are full of groceries. Next is the Amazon Echo Show 21. The new Alexa plus AI isn't just a voice assistant anymore. It's a proactive coordinator that actually suggested I turn on the porch light because it noticed my food delivery was 2 minutes away. The BirdFi Hum Bloom has been a viral hit on my balcony. The 4K high-speed camera captures hummingbird wing flaps at 120 frames per second, and the AI identification has already logged 5 different species I didn't even know lived here. For floor care, the Roborock Soros Rover is a beast. Its new Rover suspension system allows it to climb over thick rug transitions that used to get my old S8 stuck every single day. The SwitchBot AI Hub is the brain of this setup. Because it handles AI processing locally, my goodnight scene executes instantly without that annoying 2-second cloud delay we used to hate. Moving to lighting, the Govee Ceiling Light Ultra is pure eye candy. The Matter 1.5 integration allows me to sync the 20 different lighting zones with my PC gaming setup flawlessly through Razer Chroma. The Dyson Big Unquiet BP03 has been a lifesaver this spring. As pollen levels peak this April, its HEPA H13 filtration has kept my allergies at 0, and it's so quiet I often forget it's even running. For the home office, the Plaud No Pin is indispensable. I wear it on my lapel, and it automatically records and summarizes my Zoom calls into actionable tasks using GPT-5pinch1 integration. My health tracking has moved to the Rincon Gen 2 Air. It's so light I don't feel it while sleeping, and its new recovery score accurately predicted I was getting a cold 2 days before I felt symptoms. Finally, the Topo C465 sets the standard for budget security. The color night vision at 4K resolution is so crisp you can read a license plate from 50 feet away in pitch blackness. Whether you're starting from scratch or upgrading your ecosystem, these 10 products are the gold standard for April 2026.